Open source contributions are one of the best ways to get job and internship opportunities and also real code based experience. So, today I will talk about how to maximize the learning from the contributions that you will be making. So, it is very easy to contribute and perhaps even get your PR merged, but it is a different thing to maximize the learning from the work that you have done. You could have just used AI to write some parts for you or just do the guesswork and write by matching just patterns rather than trying to understand the fundamental concepts. So, to maximize the learning from your work, the first thing that you have to do is keep a list of all the new things that you are finding while contributing and try to go through that list and learn about all those things before even making the PR. So it might be the case that the thing that you are working on is quite hard. So a single PR might take a week also. And in that case, since it is very hard, it means you know that there are many things that you just don't know about. And so you have to learn those things when you are trying to find the solution for the problem that you are working on. And if you think that no, I will do it later, or I will just, I don't know, if you do that, then the chances that you will come back later and work on those things are not that high. And also, if you learn these new things along with you trying to solve the problem, then what you are going to learn will be the most effective because your brain at this point is sort of tuned to learn anything fast in order to solve that problem. So it's always a good approach to learn all those unknowns when you are dealing with the PR rather than after it. But there might be things which you find that will take a lot of effort, and in that case, you can do that after making the PR. But those things are very rare and sometimes out of the scope of the PR. So that is one thing which is, I guess, the most effective thing you can do to maximize your learning from the OSS contributions. And the other thing perhaps you can do is to not find cheap solutions to your confusions. Instead, what you should do is try to go and read from the foundational resources. So, if you are doing that, then from those foundational resources you will be getting very compressed knowledge. And if you go to any shallow resource, even if it solves your problem, you won't be able to maximize your learning. And I think that is the first goal of any OSS contribution. And yes, you are also getting real world exposure, but that is the first goal, that you are getting more skilled. So these are the two ways which I think are most effective to maximize your learnings from contributing to open source.